This will be a video on the 2016 37.5 kVA generator. Gonna be powered by the Zuzu diesel. Let's see, pretty fancy unit. We'll check out the inside in a sec, just give you the walk around. You have all your plug-in stuff down here, different stuff, negatives, positives, exhaust, clean unit. It was mounted to the back of a truck, was what I was told. Very little use. Let's see, we'll go in here. There's a look at her. I want to say it's like 6 hours or 16. We'll take a look at the meter here in a sec. Let's see. See if we can figure it out. Maybe it's a little more. What's that? 12. Maybe it's a little more than they'd said there. So I'm gonna go with that as hours. Meter. I'm not sure. Let me. 12.4. Yeah, I was told low hours, but I'm bringing up that. Anyways, it's not hooked to fuel. It was hooked to the truck for the fuel. It will turn over though. Let me see. I'll bump it real fast. You can hear it. Might just start off. Let's see. Hit the button. You hold the button. Oh, 11.1. There's an hour meter. Fuel, like I said, needs to be hooked up. So it's just gonna burn out. What's this here? Yeah, performance diesel generators. And then here's all that, which is in the pictures. Yeah, clean unit. I'll turn off the main right now. Got the new battery in there, newer battery. Yeah, nice unit. Breaker box up top here with some storage. This other side, nice little push button latches, super nice. Yeah, well, there she is. Come check her out. Preview day will be January 20th, auction the 21st. Fancy. All right, see you on the next video.